Hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde, and today we're going to talk about where is the Danessa Myricks palette. Is it coming? What's happening? Let's talk about it. Alright, hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. I put out 2 videos a week, one usually about Limelife products and one about some other makeup, DIY, something fun that entertains me. So subscribe to my channel right now. I'd really appreciate it. And let's get started. Okay. Danessa Myricks is doing a collaboration with Limelife. Okay, and they had a LimelifePalooza this summer and it was amazing, and we saw the new products, and I have a video down below, a link, but let's look at it now. Okay, this is the face she created. Look at this face and look at that eyeshadow. Okay, the palette, Danessa's coming out with like lip glosses, I think, enduring lip colors and highlighters and eyeshadows and new foundations and all this stuff. But what I really want, only thing that is stuck in my head almost every day since I saw that, is that purple eyeshadow, that blue eyeshadow, and those 2 green eyeshadows. There's actually six colors I want out of those 8. I could give a shit about the peach or the gray. I'm not. It's not for me. Okay. Oof. Oh my god, those 6 other colors. So I've been thinking about it. And then the Norvina palette came out, and that purple, oh my god. But then when I saw swatches, it's not as nice as the Limelife one. So I was like, I can wait. But I know it's gonna be expensive. So the other day, I went to Ulta and to check out the Norvina palette. And while I was there, I was like, oh, I only want to see this purple shade. That's the really one I wanted, the Celestial. And I swiped it and I was like, this isn't quite as purple as I want. It's a little more on the pink side. I still want it, okay? But let's be honest. But she said, have you seen the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault? And I said, no, I haven't. And I would love to see those. And I got to swipe them. And you know what I came home with? $15 fucking. Boom. A beautiful purple. The price of 1 eyeshadow at Limelife. I got a whole damn palette, and I did this eye look. I know, not a makeup guru. I know, I suck at it. But I got to play with the purple of my dreams for $15. Look at this purple. Awesome payoff, okay? This purple is a gem. It's a gem. And it is, I mean, it's a pretty good dupe of Danessa's, okay, let's face it. And then this pizzazz right there looks the way I am hoping one of those other 2 plum, pinkish burgundy ones looks like, okay? And I mean, look at these other colors though. I mean, they can't be beat. I love this more than the peach one. And so I am in love for $15. But let's talk about the Danessa palette. Okay, when we first saw the palette, it looked like this. Wow, angels were singing and we were so happy. Okay, and then a sneak peek came out like 5 days ago, okay, something like that. And it was like, okay, that's not exactly the blue I remember. And that's a little more muted. And I wasn't so excited as I once was. And then, boom, another sneak peek came out, and I said, what the fuck? I don't want this palette. Like, it looks like any other generic, boring palette. And then the swatches came out, and I almost cried. And I feel like something terrible is happening. And while I'm filming this right now, I'm thinking, what if I Photoshop that arm swatches and see if I can make it vibrant and like bring up hope. So I'm gonna add a clip right now in of the best I could do editing that video, that picture, to see if the colors are actually there and it's just poor photography. Because I mean, photography matters, right? Maybe it's poor photography, not shitty product. Okay, so that was my update. I mean, it's a kind of stupid update, but the fact is, oh my god, they wowed us at LimelifePalooza. And then the sneak peek was okay, and the colors looked different and more muted, and then it got worse and worse, and it's so freaking bad right now. I don't even know what to tell you, and I can't imagine they're gonna cost like $72 for 8 eyeshadows. I was editing my video this morning and I realized I never answered my questions I posed at the beginning. So I've got myself a cup of coffee and I'm settling down to actually finish the video or film the video the first time I went off on a rant. Where is the Danessa Myricks palette? I don't know. I've been hearing about this collaboration for an entire year. I feel like it's been built up a little too much for me. Usually they keep things under wraps. Anyway, it has to be coming out soon. They dropped the sneak peeks a few days ago, and I'm guessing by Labor Day we'll have it because it's fall colors. I mean, let's bring it on. I mean, pretty soon they're gonna have to do their Christmas stuff. So let's get the fall colors out this week, maybe next week, beginning of September at the latest. I can't see it taking any longer than that. Why? Why is it taking so long? They're a makeup company, unless they're just a pyramid scheme. I don't know these days. It seems like the makeup is just like the last thing they think about. But that's I go off on these tangents and I don't get to the point. I'm guessing it will be by the beginning of September. It'll be a Friday because they almost always drop their things on a Friday, and that's it. I'm gonna finish editing this video and get it out to you soon. Thanks for watching. Love ya.